Tuatoru o Te Māhepohepotanga 2026 ki tēnei whira, tēnei papatūtū waiwai ko te Ō RAHI, te kai tēnei ahi e rua ngā wahanga o te whakataitai nei, he wahanga whanake, he wahanga toki anō hoki. Ko te kēmu e haere ake nei, ko te pūtahi Māori o Manurewa, me ngā puna o Waiorea ki te wahanga whanake, kei takutaha, te tihi tino tāne pūrotu ra wātu. Ko wai koe no whea koe?
Kia ora ko Jovan Strickland hau no Ngāpi.
Tēnā koe Jovan I tō whai wāhi mai nei ki te whakapāhotanga. Whakawhiti mai a Jovan I ngā tapu ai I te rātau ki a mātau I tēnei tau. No reire he koanga ngākau kua puri mai ia ki tēnei kura, kāmutu ki tēnei whakapāhotanga e wama. Jovan, mahi nui māku māu, tēnā whakamārama hia mai, ngā ture, te tikanga rānei o te kēmu o Ō RAHI.
Kia koe e taia e mātou te pai e nei I te porowhita nei o ka handover. And the people outside, they have to come through the bridge to come outside from the middle. And the people in the middle circle, they're not allowed to go inside into the inside circle, but they're allowed to come out to the outside circle. And yeah.
Sweet. So if you can understand his Chinese, there's two teams, Tato Ma. There's two teams, a Ki Oma team and a Taniwha team. Waiorea at the moment are the Ki Oma. They look after the tupu, that big rubbish bin in the middle, and they also, that was a bit of a poro shot. They also try and get points, as we see here. That's one possible point to Waiorea. As soon as you get tagged, you have 5 seconds to pass. Pūtahi in the blue are now called the Taniwha. Ko tā rātou mahi, he whiu I te ki te tupu. So they're trying to throw the ball to the tupu that's being guarded by the Ki Oma. Waiorea me te pauro I nāi nei. Hanga mā kuku ana te papa, ko tauira tērā, pāhi ana te poro kia niwa. Niwa kia Dupree, me tana ringa kaha, engari mate te poro, puta kiwaho. Kingi, standing around here looking handsome, bro. Come on in, Kingi, be a part of the broadcast team. Kingi, who's going to win?
Pūtahi.
All day. Pūtahi are in the blue, Tato Ma. This is the whanake division of schools that are developing one another. Jovan, what have you enjoyed so much of Te Māhepohepo 26?
Just being able to see all the kids having fun, and yeah, and for me to have fun as well, yeah.
Kapai, if you had the opportunity to improve Māhepohepo, what's some of the suggestions to attract more funding and more kura?
I reckon have more food shops for more food. Yeah.
There's always one.
And more prizes at the end of the day, yeah.
More prizes, more food. More sports and more opportunity for whanaungatanga. There's some talk about a Māhepohepo ball. Some kids wanted wakaama, fishing, run it straight challenge. 1 minute scraps? Nah, we're not about that life. That's a piro there to Waiorea. 1-0 at this moment, e hoama. They're 5-minute quarters. Takiri, give us a wave. Yeah, that's Takiri in the middle there with his hat backwards. Sapphire, me te pauro I nāi nei. Piki wharaki wanga nui ne, Jovan. There's a big fella in the middle. Difficult to get the tupu. What's the rautaki to get past that tank that's blocking the tupu?
Just pass the ball around, I reckon, and then you'll get tired. Yeah.
Pai tērā rautaki. Waiorea me te poro. Kasi me hopu kina. Me hopu. Te tangata I te poro I mua I te kuhutanga atu. A ki te wāhi piro. Koira I hāmene hia ai. E Waiorea. Ka mutu ko te tangi o te pūtātara tērā e hoa mā e tohua mai nā. Time's up for the end of the first quarter. During quarters tātou mā, both teams change responsibilities. So it's now Te Pūtahi Māori o Manirewa's turn to defend and attack in the Kioma space. This is Sapphire Brown, e Wama, bit of a wave to Saf and all the viewers, the millions of viewers worldwide tuned into our Māori Plus YouTube channel. We won't miss her red hair and her hips and side steps. Waiōrea, 1, Pūtahi, none. Jovan,
Yeah.
you handsome guy, you. How come you're not playing?
Too tired from league, you know.
Fair enough. Jovan was part of the League Nines on Monday. Yesterday there was some netball, mixed netball, and did you play netball?
Nah, I just went to go commentate. Do the recording again? Yeah.
So Māhepo has given opportunities for kids to play sports with one another, and they also got a chance to have a little taste of what it's like being a part of a broadcast or a production. Kids being cameramen, commentators, production assistants, Māori wardens at the car parks and stuff. Shout out to Caesar and Koka. This is Tyrone with the do-rag on his head and the mullet poking out the back with his horsey. Tyrone, Wax City, proud Manirewa Marlin, captain of the Rugby League Nines. Offside play there by Tauira Henry. Anahira Scott, ki Wainganui me Dupree Tupe. Just a reminder, Waiōrea up by 1. This is the Whanake division, that's 2. That's 2 to Waiōrea. I don't want to put the commentator's curse on Pūtahi, but let's hope that Tyrone can step the whole team and run around the whole world. Here he is. What has he got on his feet today? Any wax? That's 2 possible points. 3, slips, throws it back in. Looking for some attacking runners. Tūhapa ana a Tairau. Ko te wā tuarua tērā. What's happening with Pūtahi? They just look a little bit build-ups at the moment.
They need a lock-in, bro.
Here are her first, boys. They've got a lock-in chat. Levi to Tyrell. Thrown back on the middle to Saf. Out to Tyrone, who's running plays. Saf's there. There's an option opening up. Ko wai, kei reira, ko Tyrell. Kārehe makarona. E whāngā piro kia Pūtahi. E rua pea toru rānei kia Waiōrea. Waiōrea. Kei te poraka mā a Waiporoporo. Anahera getting out in front. Doing really well to block the tupu. Kia ora, a game that has an awesome pūrākau. I won't ask Jovan about how it came to be.
The patupaere here.
Koia, the patupaere, I remember that pūrākau. We'll let you fellas at home do your own research of how the game Kia ora came to be. Still to come, e hoa plenty of action. Our semis, our finals in both divisions. Tyrone with the fend. Hoi anō. Kārehe aha kia mātou. Tyrone Smith. E toru ngā piro. Kua mana, kua kehi. Tell us a little about that try scorer, Dupree. What's he like in class and at school?
Dupree's actually pretty smart, I can't lie. But sometimes he can be a bit mischievous.
What about his reo te ori ori?
No, awesome. He's really good at speaking Māori here.
And what about singing?
Awesome again. Like, what isn't he good at?
Tell me about it. What about doing the dishes and doing the laundry?
Okay, maybe not that.
Tyrone looking for his bro, Levi the hot stepper. Here comes the hot stepper, turn it up. I'm the lyrical dancer, turn it up. Maxine, patu ana te poro ki tana hoa. Intercept mai a Waiōrea. Hand over e rua ngā kume kei te papa. Sapphire Brown. Wrapping around to Tyrone. Tyrone falling on his backside. Opportunities back to Tupe. Ngari. Kingy still here with us, Kingy. Hey, the field's getting chopped up, eh, bro?
Yeah, agreed.
How can Waiōrea come back?
Maybe taking different strategies and changing their pattern of playing.
Bro, as you mentioned, I like you using that particular term, strategy. E hoa mā, this is a game of chess. There are strategies for days. You've seen it with some of the best of them, like kura kaupapa Māori aroha o Māngere, Waiōrea. And yeah, Te Pūtahi's got a few strats. We don't want to give away any secrets though. Can we get a bit of a score update? We've got 2 points to Waiōrea and 7 points to Te Pūtahi at the moment. Ka whakawhiti anō ngā kapa. Ana, ko Waiōrea hei ki oma, ko Pūtahi hei taniwha. She's pretty nippy here at Te Pā o Takanini. Just gone 20 minutes to 1. E rima ngā kēmu e toi ana a popo. Ko te poi tūkohu. Boys, are we running it back for the basketball team tomorrow?
All day.
All day. What about you?
I'll just come back and commentate again.
Oh. They say sometimes, bro, when you can't play league or you can't play basketball anymore, you become a commentator. That's like why me and my dad do what we do. Become elo as the years go by.
But yelling at everyone on the screen.
Yeah. Ka mutu, that's our pūtātara. Showing us we're into quarter number 3. Levi, looking one way and throwing the other. 2 times. That's 9 points to 2. That's 10 points to 2. Pūtahi, certainly gun team. I really like how Levi puts the defense in 2 minds. The man looks one way and throws the other. Big mihi to Te Pūtahi Māori o Manurewa for their manaakitanga. Ko mātou te kura whakahaere I tēnei tau. Te rātou ko te haikura a Kiwa, Maxine with a diving tag. How good?
Very good.
Tyrone in the middle, putting pressure on. You can see they jump up in the air like Mario. When we see our referee in the maroon put her hand up, that indicates the ball has successfully hit the tupu. Oh, that's what you call it, whanaungatanga in the fullest. Holding each other's hands on the key. Oh, how cute. Some nice plays, that's right. I'm just going to throw the mic over to Jovan for a little jam by himself for a little bit.
Oh, we had Hana. Oh, got Levi missed. Nah, kei te pai there, kei te pai. Okay, taipo. Oh, little spin around, pass, and it went out. Oh. Hard luck, Waiōrea. Okay, where's that ball? Okay. Throwing into Pūtahi, throw to Saf, and she throws and she missed. Oh. So trying to make the defenders tired by just passing it around. That's a good strategy I've seen. Lovely tag by Sapphire. Lovely to see it, like to see it. And it goes out. Okay, to buy that. Potentially goes out again. No, it doesn't go out. Passes to Levi. And he misses.
Hoki mai anō tātou mā. Welcome once again to the whanaungatanga division of the whakataitai, the Tōna Mana Māhepohepotanga 2026. This is Ki Ō RAHI, an authentic Māori traditional game that's sort of popped off over the last decade. Levi with the rip. Haere tonu ana ngā mahi. Waiōrea. Stepping left, stepping right with a twist and slams the ball down. Tai te piro, engari ko tahi raupai eneti te tuku I te piro. Marley Williams with the intercept. Also known as Tuatini. Tyrell tripping over the gumboot of the referee. Kati. Miss. Woo. Ka pai, oh well, ko waimarie mātou. We've got some girls from Waiōrea coming to tell us who's who in your kapa. Girls, firstly introduce yourselves. This is going out to millions of viewers on YouTube.
Kia ora, ko Scarlett toku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Kimiara toku ingoa.
Tēnā koe Kimi. O tira tēnā koutou e mātaki mai. Now, this is Jovan from Pūtahi. Say hello.
Oh, hello.
We're friends on the sideline, but these fellas on the field don't look like they're too close to one another. Pe o korua whakaro mo te Māhepohepo whānui.
Tino pai.
Ai, tino pai.
He ai tino pai ai, he ngā tino hākina kia korua. Ko ai pia ka wini I te whakataetai I tēnei rā.
Ngā puna o Waiōrea.
Ai.
I ngā wā katoa.
Ai, I ngā wā katoa.
I ngā wā katoa.
Tell us what you enjoy most about being at Waiōrea.
The connections through me and people that I get to know.
We see you fellas on the stage for Huckers. It's nice to see you on the sports field as well. What's the tuakana like to the Taina?
Really good. They're like, they won't leave the tainers out ever. It's really nice.
He tau iwa koe.
Ai.
Hey, so our year 9s have got a chance to mix it with some of the wharekura kids. In our school, Te Pūtahi, there's some year 13s here. This is Sapphire Brown, who's putting a bit of footwork on. It's nice that the bros can play with the sisters. There's not many sports, unlike mixed netball last week, where boys can play with the girls. What's it like playing with your tūngane?
Good, but sometimes hard.
Do they share the ball to you fellas?
Yes, they actually do. They do, yes.
Do you reckon that in Ki Ō RAHI, mehe me ka whai piro he kotiro, ne whakarea rua ngā piro pia?
Ai.
Nā ko nā pia whāngahia ai te pauro ki ngā kohine. Bro, I watched the NRLW. and some of the hits and the bump offs from the girls are more hearty than some of the boys. How was your fellas' holidays?
Really good. I got to sleep and eat and yeah.
I was practicing most of the holidays.
I snapped Kimi up at where were we? Barry Curtis Park. She is flames. You need to watch out tomorrow, tātou mā. Chat, don't give her the ball on the 3-point line because there'll be nothing but net. This guy practicing for 2 weeks of the holidays. Dad not even letting her sleep in. Te Pūtahi, I'm sorry girls, looks like we're smoking you guys at the moment.
No, never.
We'll come back to Jovan. Me tuku pe koe I te apologies ki ngā kohine a Waiōrea.
Wait, but first can we get like a score check, please? Oh, 13-4, so...
also get that.
Yeah, can we... Yeah, come and say hello.
I want to get them on camera.
With your 4 points. With your 4 points. Oh, no, but gets by. We're all here just to have some fun and make new connections with new people, I guess.
Fair enough, fair enough. Now, I'm old. I've got grey hairs, but I love hearing the Riz words of the days. So, Wairea, what words are popping off at your kura at the moment?
6'7". Oh my
6'7", still alive?
yes.
Any others?
Aura.
Aura. Now, these boys right here, when you say aura, I can't think of anything else. Kingi, you are the aura farmer. Come and show us a bit of aura. Ka pai, me hoki anō pia tātou ki te kemu. It's about 6'7" to putahi, I think. Thanks, girls. Hey, come and take the mic off me. I'm cringe.
No, I'm okay.
Thank you for joining us. Hoki mai akua nei mō ngā kemu a Wairea. That was interesting.
Yeah, very.
It was fun. Those girls were a vibe. They were cool. Even though their team's getting clapped.
Yeah, they thought they were better than us, but, can't beat us.
Hey, Jovan and I are professionals. We have to stay neutral, Jovan. We can't pick sides. It's quite a plug for putahi.
Ooh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Hey, Saf, is she going to put some footwork on? Yes, she is. She's backing it up. Grabbing a po. Who's helping her with a twist? Throwing it back inside to the bro, Rain. Rain passes it to Tupe. Tupe's got butterfingers at that moment.
And it goes out.
Puta te paoro. Māua ko Jovan, tēnei e mihi nei. Please subscribe and like our channels. Nā, koutou e mātakitaki mai nā, there are some socials that I want you to follow. One, Te Māhepohepotanga on Insta. Two, Te Putahi Māori o Manirewa's Insta page. The Clubhouse. Māori Plus. As we turn 20 next year, Te Māhepohepotanga 2026. Korua tai, hara mai. Hara mai, boys. Tai mai a Waititi. Mai te uru o Tāmaki. Ki konei, ki te tonga o Tāmaki. Boys, how's the tourney been? And what do you think? Pehea ngā whakaro mō Te Māhepotanga whānui?
Bro, rawe. Honestly, rawe. I'm just, happy I get to see Rain play. Rain, yep.
Nā ia, rawe te kaupapa nei. Ko rawe te wiki katoa. Ia, te wheako ki te taho ngā kura o Tāmaki. Ai.
And big shout out. Little bit of a shout out to Matua Lance Wilson. Yeah, Gully man. Yeah, Gully man. Oh, yeah. Matua,
Moiho.
Matua Moiho. And Rain. Rain.
Give us a rain!
Rain. Yeah.
There he is. Ka pai, boys. When we have your kapa whanake playing, tēnā hoki mai ki te arapiki nei, ka whai wāhi kōrero tātou i a tātou. Welcome back also to Māngere, who come all the way from Tahiti for this event. Sorry about it. They came second at the Nats in Tauranga a couple of weeks. We're going to throw to a quick break, holding screen. We'll be back with you very shortly. Hoki mai ki te Māhepo. Go grab yourself a cup of tea and a biscuit. We on in a couple of minutes. A kāti ake e tiwi nau mai hara mai ki te rangi sua toru o Te Māhepohepotanga 2026. Kei runga I te whira I nāi ko te kura kaupapa Māori arohe o Māngere with their nice brown skin all the way from Tahiti. Up against Te Haikura a Kiwa in our Toki division. E hoa mā, piki kemu tēnei, I wainganui I enei kura e rua, kei taku taha, ko Jovan, rāua ko te ariki hana. Hana ka tahi anō koe ka oti I tō kemu, pēhea te papa, pēhea hoki te wairua o te tōna mana.
Mō kua ke te papa nei tino māku, no reira ka reti haere koe, heoi anō ko te wairua o te kaupapa, ātāhua te kite te whakawhanaungatanga, te kotahitanga anō hoki ki waingai e nei kura, kia ora matua.
Tēnā koe hana, he makariri pai I konei, hoi anō, ko Māngere, te tehi o ngā kura, kātahi anō ka piri mai ki te tōna mana I tēnei tau. Ko te take I pērā e hoama, I te mea, whai wāhi atu rātou ki ngā whakataitai āmotu mo te kapahaka, me aku mihi, ki aua ringaringa kātahi, ka mutu kia Māngere, waho, I whakakanohi a tāmaki, tāmaki makaurau, ki te whakataitai āmotu, apparently they were only 1.5 points off winning the Nats. Me mihi ka tika.
Ai, rawa hoki. Me te mea hoki ko tēnei kura tētahi o ngā toki ki tēnei kemu te Ki Ō RAHI. O tira he kura aho matua pēnei ki tā mātou kura o te pūtahi Māori o Manirewa. Me ki ake ai ko rātou tō mātou tuakana, me tika kia mihi ai a rātou.
Tēnā koe hana, engari hako tērā, kei te tino piri pāua, piri tata tātou o pūtahi, ki te pūtake wāhanga Māori, te haikura a Kiwa. I te mea he tuakana teina a Hammond Matua, a Charles Matua, kaupapa atu, kaupapa mai, ka tautoko, pau te kaha, a te haikura a Kiwa, I a tātou o pūtahi no reira. Kei te rata hau ki ngā kapa e rua.
Ai, me te mea hoki he tino auaua ki te tautoko I ngā rōpū nei, nā tā mātou piripāua ki ngā kura e rua, o tira ki ngā kura katoa kua rauika mai nei.
Let's get back to the action. Māngere, 275, up against Rewa, 267. Kioma, Haikura a Kiwa. Arohe, Taniwha. Arapoiti with the ball at the moment, coached by Pounamu, a raukura of Arohe o Māngere. The no-look pass back to the Brever in the middle. Kei te ko pata te ua. Kairoa, kiwhea. Ki wainga nui nei. Māngere, mehe piro. Throwing the ball around. Māngere went over to Tahiti e hoa mā for an exchange. He kaha no ngā kura o Tahiti ki te hara mai ki Aotearoa nei. Engari, e hari I te mea he kaha no ngā kura o Aotearoa o Tāmaki e hoki haere ana ki Tahiti. He ino I tēnei ki a matua mahia. Ki Whaia Daf, ki a Wairane, kia haere atu tātou o pūtahi, ki tapu ātea, ki rangi ātea, ki tēnei me ki ana ko te Hawaii ki hou. Do you boys be keen for a trip to Tahiti?
Ai, marika. Te hoki ngā mahara ki tō mātou. Kai ngā tūturu mō tātou te tangata. Hawaii ki, nui Hawaii ki roa, Hawaii ki pāmama. Pēhea nei e a koe e wha?
Bro, is that even a question? Who doesn't want to go to Tahiti? Because I sure do, bro.
That's right, we need to get out of the hood nowadays, boys. Better start saving some pennies. Jarvis flicking the ball off. Might be the final play here. Ana, ko tangi te pūtātara. The field is getting chopped up. We've still got 4 games to go. Let's make sure we karakia in this break so that the rain holds off. Not down to get sick tomorrow. Poitu kohu, kei rō whare. That's our final day of Māhepohepo 2026. Ka mutu ko te rātuku taonga. Ka tū ki te putahi Māori o Maniroa, hei te paraire. Not the Māngere ones rock up on Thursday to grab their taonga that they brought last Sunday. Really one of the juggernauts of Ō RAHI, huri noa i te motu. Kids, before we start, can we have a quick wave to the camera? Sure, anei a tātou kai tākoro, and we on. Pounamu, hot stepper, scoops up. Oh, Kairoa, sorry, that's his older bro. Thank you, son. Short ball there. Beautiful. Lali, kai prawa, maramara keke. Those kids have been doing that since they were nappies. Aroha, back in herself. Nice tag there by Kiwa. Mana Moiho's up in the spot. Son, how's your wax? Yeah, I'll talk tino whack, yeah? Goosey? What's your tino rautaki then? How do we get points in this game? True, don't want to share the tricks. Mangere, back to the kai kiki. Oh, Johnny, hea ngā kaute. Ono ki te koi 6-0. 6-0 at the moment to Mangere. Haikura Kiwa. Kare anō kia whai piro heo e anō. Ai ki e te hi. Mama ake te whai piro mehe ki o koe. Hanga ua mehe taniwha. E rua ngā kume i ripi hia. Mehe mea ka pena, ka whakawhiti te paoro. Me tatari koutou kia eke mai te whira ara poiti. Ko ia tete i tino, pene i tēnei ko hine. Hea te whakatau a te kaua wau. Whakawhiti te ara pea. Ki te whakawhiti koe i te ara, he hāmene tēnā. Kiwa. Turned over to Arohe. Jovan, even though it's freezing, bruh. Things are certainly starting to heat up, aren't they?
Yes, it's wavy. The difficulty of this game has gone way higher than the last one, I reckon. Yeah, but keep it up for everyone. Yeah, keep it up.
Ngātai, the big body with the goosey, tackled by Kiwa. Hey, this is Māori ki Ō RAHI around here. Engari, he piro tonu. He ata te kaiwa wau. He piro ka ore ranei. Two hucks. Haka. Offload to Arapoiti with the dummy. Put on the short ball too. Tetihi o ngā kohine. Pai tērā trick play mai a Māngere. They must have got that lingo from Matua Sam. Well done. Son, e rua ngā hamarara ki roto i te wharera. Grab it. E hoa mā kei te ua i nānei. Ara poiti. Kuki airani Māori. Let's see himself hula his way to the try line. Arohe. Options. Inside and out. Sister choosing to go around. Like to see how they set up their shape. Bit of a wrap play. Runners running holes for days. Bro, when Aroha come up against Waititi or Waiora, bro, what do you reckon? Cooked?
Yeah, cooked.
Nah, I reckon Māngari's gonna cook them out. We'll see. Taria te wā. That's the putats. E mea nā, mapau, te wā, ki te wahanga tuatoru. One more kura. Jarvis looking to strap up. With a comfortable lead now. The boys from ngā hau Māngere te pane o Mataoho. Te pane o Mataoho meets Mātuku Tureia, Mātuku Tururu. As we're about to get underway. While we've got the moment, just like to call over Sanel and Levi for a few words. Sanel, proud member of Māngere. Mr. Ropati coming on the field with some ino. Try time for Kiwa. It's really important that they turn the tide here because Māngere are in full swing.
Lead. They have a massive lead against Kiwa. Yeah, I reckon they can still pull it off. Some magical hell.
Koia. Yep. Keep the faith, as us Warriors supporters have been for the past 31 years waiting for their premiership.
Levi, who you guys got next?
Akiwa, e ki o mana. Kotahi te pau, engari e rua ngā here. Whakawhiti te poro I naine ki a Māngere. Toki Division, ki Ō RAHI 2026. Tahi te piro.
Oh, Matua got them.
That guy. Arapoiti. Kiwa with the pill. This is such a multi-sport game. It has aspects of league, tag, touch, volley, handball. Ko ngā tūmomo pukenga o ngā hākina ki ngā whānui, kua whakakotahi nei ki te kohua kai kotahi. JC, Haikura a Kiwa, playing on here, Arapoiti, shutting the gate. Mate te paoro, a Kiwa. E amu ana. Bro, kei te huri, te ki Ō RAHI ki te riki. Piro ki a Kiwa. Tōmuri ana te kume o te here. A hau Māngere, te whakaeke mai nei. Mr. Tawirangi with another piro. Cutting, scooping, ripped. To the middle.
Yeah.
Jovan, it's a pleasure to call alongside you, my friend.
You're welcome.
Ngā tai, me te pauro I tēnei wā. Māngere, whāngai ana, ki tēnā. Tāwirangi te aki wai. No te whārua rua toki wai kirikiri marae. Puta te pauro. Where are all the aspiring broadcasters, Jovan? This is build-ups. We're putting the call-outs to come and give us a hand contact. Jarvis with the big chest and shoulders. Piro! Hey? Nera. Oh, kore pau. Me whai pau I te tuatahi tātou mā. Tātou e ako tonu ana I te kēmu. Whiti mai ana te rā. E puta a tamanui te rā. He aha ngā kaute whaia Triani. Te kau piro te rereketanga I ngā kapa e rua nei. A kiwa need to go huri rauna I te ao. Oh, that's not going to help.
Wait, did that count?
Counted, bro. Ki te pā te nono I te tupu, te poro I te tupu rane he piro. Tahi piro, pahi whakaroto. Kāti ake e hoa mā koia ko te wahanga tua toru.
What's that fun?
Ko tahi anō te kota e hara mai ana. Ko arohe, ārunga, ko ākiwa ki te whiore I tēnei wā. Ai, pēnā pē te kōrero. Apai ka tukuna te rākau kōrero nei ki a Jovan. Ka tiro hia hea ngā kēmu e haere ake nei. Anei ngā kēmu e haere ake nei. Jovan, mau e whakakōrero.
Kia aroha versus Pūtahi. Whaimuri tērā, ko Hoane versus Pua. And then finals are still yet to come. I'll keep an update on that. Back to the game. Pass to the middle. Going outside. Pūtahi. Throw back to the middle. Looking for options. Close. Hand over. And it goes out. No, it's okay.
And we're back. Puri in the middle. Manaki ana I te tupu. Nice ball there. Contact ki tēnei whiara. Akiwa certainly haven't given up. Decent piro there. Tahi te pau. Arohe with the kickoff. That's one point there. Little no look and a fumble. Hey, Tanya mai wahine mai, bro. We're all on at the moment. Kai with the ball. Playing picking in the middle, these two boys. Bloody bullies. And the kids know the alphabet, that's a good sign as well. Pounamu must have come back and shared the strats. Aroha certainly one to... Some subs. Subs are still clean. Hey, if the jersey's not dirty, you haven't been doing much mahi. Ka pai te hopu. Kei whenga waiwai para huti huti. Ei konei, te pe ana. Ripi here. Jovan can certainly feel the Māori and the aura of these two teams.
Tika. Just the wide world deflecting off them. No.
I thought it was just you, Jovan. Hux with the spin. Turns it back to Arapoiti, who has a bit of a mismatch. And the hips of doom. He certainly does know how to hula. Just coming back from Tahiti.
Let's get a score check. Oh, what's the score?
Yeah, never mind the score check. I'm sure our Māngere is up in the Maungas.
I think it's 26 anyways.
Dang.
Score check.
Score check, mihi. Wax City. Karoha. Karoha ki te nama iwa. Kei he ana hoa. Te ahu nei kuia te furu peke. Pai te rā rautaki. Panaia whakaroto te pauro. 18-5 tatania. Ngātai dancing his way. Karoha, unlucky. Haka. Kati, Ewa Ma. 275 in the house. Certainly one to keep an eye on in the semi-finals and finals. Hei ko ake nei. Tai atu ai tātou ki ngā whiringa toa me ngā whiringa whaiti. Te kaumā waru ki te kapa o Arohe o Māngere. E rima a ki te kapa a Kiwa. Hoki mai koutou a kua nei. Māua ko Jovane mihi kaona ki a koutou. Ma tūhono mai nei ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Noho, pūmau, tonu, mai. Ka kite aini. That follows me.
All of them were.
Where's Mama?
He's gone.
Shot out. Hey, no help here. No help.
I have faith in my team. I have faith in me.
So should we mic you up on the game now?
No, don't ever
Why?
mic me up on the game.
Swears out.
Yes, nah.
Foul
I
mouth.
do quiet. I do quiet one.
Oh, yo.
He's always like...
That guy, Mutahi!
Oh yeah, injure themselves for the game.
Ricky lost Laurel.
Yo, when you're ready. Are you on now? Yeah, little Mickey at the top.
Oh, okay. When does it start? E ngā mana e ngā reo nau mai haere mai ki te Māhepohepotanga, rātua toru, Ara, ko tēnei te kēmutua toru ki Wanganui I te pūtahi Māori o Manureo Aroha ko Ki Aroha College. Nō reira, ai.
Ai, tautoko pau te kānga mihi a Jovan, kia koutou mātaki-taki mai nā. Te tini me te mano tāngata. Maybe about, a handful actually tuned in. But hey, that's what it's all about. Industry growth. Kids have been wardens, they've been first aiders, they've been scorers, timekeepers. And it's an awesome opportunity to give the kids a chance to see themselves again and shot their stuff on the stage and on the sports field. Tyrone offloads to Te Teira, still got 2 on his feet, wrapping around e tihi o ngā pau. Ngari ai ki te kaiwawao, e rua ngā here I kumea. Ki Aroha College, no roto mai I te puke o Tara. E whaka taitai atu ana ki te pūtahi Māori o Manurewa, Ngāti Te Ata, Ngāti Tamoho, te wai o hua. Marley Williams with the short ball. Captain of the Royals alongside Tyrell Henry. Chardonnay with her bows standing by for an opportunity. The ball. Coached by Matua Ihaka Cassidy. Raua ko wā Matua Lawrence Mane. On the bench, waiting to come on is Te Ariki Hana, Tyrell, Jason Brown and Takiri. Te Teira, hoi whai piro mo te kapa o te pūtahi. Ki Aroha, he taniwha rātau I tēnei wā. Pai te pāhi whakaroto. Koenei te wāhanga ki ngā kura whanaketanga. Jovan, patai tāku mau. Why isn't Pūtahi in the Toki division?
I don't actually know, they're pretty good.
Fair enough, bro. Mehe me ka wini a Pūtahi I te whakataitai nei. I te me piki rātou nera.
Ai.
Kāre he kōwhiringa. Mehe me ka wini a Pūtahi I te wāhanga whanake I tēnei tau. They have to go up to the open div. Te Teira, Wax City, goosing, stepping, beating 1, beating 2, twisting the hips. Play on there, the whole belt came off. We're playing on. Nice ball there by Demetrius. Marley Williams looking for a bro to throw to. Anahira, engari, ngaringa. Let's not mock the Butterfingers there, Jovan. She makes mean cookies.
What the butter?
There's a tag down there. Oh. Big Mihi once again to fire say. Who's commentating that game now? They used to have a jam. I'll go commentate that game.
No, just need it. They don't need a commentator.
Welcome once again to Field 1 here, Huama of the broadcast. Still looking for 2 commentators on Field 2. Kirianne and Skylar are here. They're going to go over to Field 2. Marley Williams passing it off to Sapphire Brown. Does well to scoop it up here. There's one po touched. Throwing it back in. I think ko te take kāre kai pāpāho ki reira, I te mea ko Boston, te kaiako kai tautoko rānei a Pūtahi. Rangi ka puapua tēnei ki te tonga o Tāmaki. Ngari, pai te rongo i ngā hihi, a ki te tuara o te tinana. Mato wā! Wā! Wā!
Okay, and we're back with Kia aroha being on Kioma and Putai on Taniwha. Okay, let's see what Kia aroha can do, and no try. Almost. And try from PJ Mika. Okay, and we have tag from suffering double. PJ with the backhand throw, and it goes out. Hard luck.
They have a commentator now.
Who? Oh, come on, throw it back in. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're gonna sidestep. Oh, and Taki's too good. Okay. Double tag. We have a double tag there, so that will be a handover. Handover to Putai. PJ with the throw, and it goes out again. Fuck. This is like the second time he's made it go out now.
Too muscly, eh?
Yeah.
It's too strong. It must be all the air he's bending.
Yeah.
He
Now-
some mean tries, bro. On Monday, you look back at the highlights. PJ's did like a mad grubber, and I think one of the boys backed up, but even some of his carries.
Yeah. Just good at everything in general, I guess.
Whole family.
Runs in the family, I guess.
Yo.
Okay, we have Kia aroha. Possible try. And it was a tag first. All good. Just keep it up, and maybe they can win. We'll see. What's the way? How come there's only one in the middle?
Rotaki. Rotaki tera. Real Māori Tyrone. Ia Levi te ripi I taua wā. Kua mic'd up nia a Tyrone. Ngari tū hapa ana ngā waiwai a PJ. Kia Aroha College te puke o tara up against te mātuku, te manurewatanga o Tamapahore. Tyrone me tana whiu, ngari aukati hia e Kia Aroha. He aha ngā kaute aua, footwork. He hāmene tērā. Me he mea ka kuhu koe ki te roto, me haere tonu tō kuhu ki te hoki whakamuri koe, he hāmene tērā. Hāmene e hoa mā, penalty. Pā te kumu I te tupu. He hāmene hoki tēnā. Hips, footwork. PJ kia Tyrone. Tino whiu tērā. He tāngata kei reira, e tiaki ana I te pā. Footwork, mean battle tēnei. Wheels.
Tyrone.
Ah, nice Tyrone.
Tyrone.
Tyrone with the clutch. What a save. Passes to Levi, passes back to Tyrone. Ah, close. So a good Rosaki I saw from them is they keep on passing it around so it makes them tired in the middle. So keep that up, Putai, and then we'll be the winners at the end of the day, I reckon. We have Kia Ora coming up. And just gets ripped. Passing it around. Taipo. Sidesteps. Oh! Wait, did he get tagged? Oh, he got tagged. Hard luck, hard luck. What the intercept? Passes it to Tyrone. And that's time. So that will be the second quarter, and the third one will be on soon.
Tēnā koe, Jovan. My FM 88.6 now. Hey, certainly one of the teams to keep an eye on in terms of the whanake finals. As we mentioned earlier, he kounga te tīma nei, quality,
Quantity.
no reira,
Even though there's a whole bunch of them on the field anyways.
yeah, rautaki
And there's a
pai.
whole bunch of them on the sidelines as
Yeah,
well.
tino rautaks tērā. Kua herea mai te kaumārima pia kai tākaro. He rangi roa tēnei. E hia ke ngā kēmu.
E rangi anō a popo though.
Ana, e mea ana koe chief. Poi tukohu a popo. Titi o ngā tama matua Tyrone. Bro, pakaru tana mahunga i te riki. I haere ia ki ngā tau. Mō ngā tūmomo katau te atu mehe mea i te pai. Kei te maiwi rānei. How te take o Tyrone's potai, bro? Kāri te bloody whiti te rā. E hara tēnei i te raumati.
Ka kāpō te rangi.
Well, committed these two in the middle here.
Big shout out to Tyrone and Anahira in the middle. Yeah, keeping us strong.
And to all the New South Welshmen.
No.
Can I hear ya?
No.
Can I hear ya? Can I hear ya? Kia ora. Showing some skill. Anahira, not afraid of anything. The one thing she is afraid of is the tea towel. Sapphire Brown here. Te teira, whacked off the left foot. Engari, smile on display from his opponent.
Where's Rain? He needs to be in the middle.
Pātai pai tērā. Engari, ko te secret weapon called Demetrius. Where's Demetrius when he's supposed to be on the field?
He's right there. On the sidelines with us.
And what's Maxine doing? We haven't seen her for a while. Maxine, why aren't you not playing?
Hanging out with her
Hurt
friends.
yourself or are you all good? Stop! Te pūtahi. I think it's time to roll subs. They're up by about
Couple points, I reckon.
a couple he does.
Yeah.
He oi anō. Me kaua tātou e whakahihi. Me noho whakaiti tonu. Ki Aroha College. Ka nui te aroha kia koutou. Not many kura auraki
From Tyrone.
in the tournament. Ko te haikura a Kiwa, ko ngā puna o Waiorea me Ki Aroha College. Ngā kura auraki e toru. Ko era atu he kura aiwi, he kura aho matua. Dale, ki te hara mai a ngā tapu ai, ka pehea tō rātou tākaro.
Kia kune whakaro ka haere rātou ki ngā finals.
I ngā finals, o a te rātou pia. Piri anō ai a ngā tapu ai mo te Ō RAHI. Niwa mōrunga tērā. E proud mahanga. Kaua ko te taki rua, engari ko te taki toru ea. Triplets, mohi ana koe ki hete I triplets?
Cool.
Atu I a niwa, a teina me kaitaki. He triplets.
Didn't even know they were triplets.
Ai, triplets te rātou. Mihi ana ki te whānau mōrunga. Tauira! Mihi a te pahi. Some energy happening on field 2.
Can hear it from all the way over here.
Yep, bit of a lull and play here on field 1. Still to come, mana. Ko wai ngā kemu. Couple more rounds left ki taku mōhio. Hoani kia puo. Ko ia te round robin whakamutunga. Ka tahi ko te whainara, whanake, me te whainara toki. Te ahua nei ko pūtahi kei te whainara ne, bro.
Yeah, I reckon.
Kia awai.
Pūtai.
Pūtahi kia awai.
Oh, What are the other options?
Waiorea, Waititi.
Oh, we've beaten all of them, so I reckon.
No, that doesn't matter. Jovan says, ko wai te hoariri.
Do you still get like a prize on Friday if we win this?
Hopefully, maybe a certificate or like a lollipop or something. Tyrell throws it back into Anahira. Sapphire with the last play. Can she get the dive? Commitment from Miss Brown. Tyrell. Oh, Tyrone. Mehe me ka piro koe. Whakaritea like he momo kani ki te kamera. Yo. Ka pai te hauwha whakamutunga. Aroha College, can we just get a rave to the camera up here, please? Yeah. 274 Otara in the house. Home of the brave. Here in the land of the Marlins. Scorps up against Marlins. The last quarter here at Bruce Pulman Park. Mihi ana kia koutou kua hono mai. We're underway once again. Hips of doom. Offloaded well there. Going low. And she's in. Both Levi and PJ miss. Sold. That's all right. First mistake of the tournament for those two. They've been gone.
Carry on. Getting score after score now. Anahira, what's happening?
Must be the hat why he got scored on, eh, Tyrone?
Yeah, I reckon. Need to take it off. They're cool guys around here. Nah.
Aniwa with the intercept. Niwa working hard there. Bit more than what she does at school. Threw back on the inside from Aroha College. Haere tonu ana ngā mahi. Picky with the no-look throw-in. 16 here. What the brick does he have? Let's see a hot step. Go 16. Let's get ready to dance. Turns it back on the inside. That's Tupo. Throws it back in the middle. Starting up for a reset. Oh. Bubbles a little bit. Karoha. Kia Aroha. Nice hips there by 15. Twisting her way in and out of trouble. The peroxide blonde's got the pill now. Turns it back Te Waka Blonde, picked off by Sapphire Brown. PJ Mika. He's got a rocket arm. Welcome once again to you fellas that have joined in online. Thanks to Whakata Māori, Māori Plus. Thanks to all our socials. Te Māhepohepotanga. Ball down i te tuatahi. Pai te rā piro mai a Rihari. No Ngati Aha. Is that a Ngati Hinehe? Piro anō. He aha tā te referee. 3-4. 3-4. E ono ngā kaute ki a pūtahi. E whā ki a aroha. Sage taking on 1, 2. Pai te rā ripi a Sapphire Brown. Kāre he pau, kāre he pau. Kāre he pau. Oh, e rua ki ngā pau. My bads. Offside ana a Tyrell, e tūhapa ana. A Tyrone mo taku he, mo taku he. Mr. Brown's on the court now, or the field. As my co-commentator texts his girlfriend.
Nah.
Hey, stop playing Roblox on the job, yeah?
Not even getting paid to do this.
Hey tōna wā, Chief, hey tōna wā. You know, AI's got you. AI can't do these sorts of skills, brother. Oh, well. Not long to go here in the last playoff game between Pūtahi and Ki Aroha. Finals are up next. E hoa mā. Tyrone, 6'5". 6'5", eh?
Yeah, 6'5". 7'5". It's a pretty close match. We have Ki Aroha in the middle still. Sapphire. Levi shoots and he misses. Tyrone. And that's time. Is that full?
Full time.
Full time. Pūtahi for the win. Let's go. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
Whakaria mana. Thanks for joining us. That was the last of the round robin. Still to come, our semis and our finals. We'll be back with these shortly. Tune in to Māhepohepotanga 2026 finals action right after the break.
I'll take a picture.
Taiho san.
Funny one. Serious one. Tore, rua, tahi, pukana.
Ko te puke o taratera. Hey guys, can we get a quick wave to the camera too, please? Anyone want to say anything? Quick hello, mum and dad. Interviews. Boys, yo, how was the game, boys?
The game was all good. It's just that I need to work on more Ō RAHI.
Nah, all good, brothers. Hopefully, you still got a chance to play in the semis. Well, what's Māhepo been like for you fellas this year?
It's been really good so far. It's been very enjoyable, and also that it's great.
Bro, I appreciate like our kura mainstream kura, participating in like Māori tournaments. What's some of your highlights, boys?
So just getting around all the boys, you know, just coming here just to show love and yeah, just have a good time. No fighting, just all keep it humble.
Were you goal shoot yesterday, bro?
Maybe.
This guy, get a close up, man. He's one to keep an eye out for. This is Aroha College. Give them a wave. Thank you to the millions that have tuned in to Te Māhepohepotanga. We'll see them in the semis. 274 in the house. Peace out. Yeah. Thanks, guys. And we'll go back to the holding screen, Tēnei. I'll open us up and then I'll forever to you. Ka te ake e hoa mā hoki mai ki te whakapāhotanga o te ki Ō RAHI. Rangi tua toru, ki konei ki te pā o Takanini, ko hoani waititi marae tēnei no te uru o Tāmaki, ki te kura kaupapa a pūau te moana nui a Kiwa, mai te rāwhiti o Tāmaki, GI up against Hendo, here in the last round robin play. Tēnei te mihi atu ki te hunga kua piri mai nei I tēnei rā, ka tukunau te rākau kōrero kia rātou. Pakau whakamohio mai, ko wai rātou, no whea rātou, ka mutu, kei te pēhea a Te Māhepohepotanga 2026.
Kia ora, ko te rauhea apa kuku toku ingoa. I'm from Hoani Waititi Marae.
Kia ora, ko Archie Bow toku ingoa, known as Taylor Ponga. No Hoani Waititi Marae ahau. I te rangi nei, e whakapāho ana mātou I te kēmu. Po te Ki Ō RAHI, ko Puau, whakatātai ana kia Hoani Waititi.
Anei ngā boys o Puau.
Kia ora, ko Justin Ricky Wako, no ngā pui, he pai Te Māhepohepotanga, ko tōku tima mō ngā moimoia.
Kāti, e mihi ana ki ngā taiohi rangatahi, e whakaro nui mai ana ki te ao pāpāho, ka mutu ko te whakatairanga I te reo Māori. He pōhehe no etihi, ka are he mana nui tō te reo Māori, ki waho atu I te kura. Engari ko ngā tuāhuaranga pēnei I te whakapāhotanga o ngā kēmu, te tihi tauira e whakahe ana I te rā matapai. Boys, Waititi, in there for the finals or what?
I don't know.
Akunipa.
Pea tera.
Ki te mātou I a koutou e whakapeto ngoi ana ki te whira riki. Kore pe āhei te tākoro mo te kapa... Ko te kapa toki tēnei? Te. Kei te pupuri pia rātou i a korua mō a popo. Mō ngā threes, ne? Whainara. Wani Waititi. Kua whā te koutou te pakeke o tā koutou kura i naine. Te kura tuatahi, kura kaupapa Māori tuatahi o te motu. Bro, Nanny Bev.
Oh, Nanny Bev.
Legend Nanny Bev.
One word. Goat.
Nanny Bev, ta Nanny Koti. Tērā atu wiki ko tana huritau whiti te kau. Mihi ana ki a koe Nanny Bev. Bro, kuraina, mātou ko Papa Timothy, Whaia Griffa, a Gully Man, a Matua Lance, I te wānanga takiura. Tōna te kaumārima taupea ki muri. Ko Taima, Rivers, me tēnei o Wainga, ko te tamahine a Chevy tera? Ko ai anō tana ingoa?
Taimania.
Ko ia. Bro, pepe ana. Nai nei. Bro, tete o ngā toki mo te kapa. Bro, whakahua mai ngā ingoa me ngā ingoa karanga nicknames o ngā o enei kai tākaro Waititi.
Ko, here we have Jodeci right here. Me te pōtai. Ko Jodeci tērā. Ko Rei. Reite. Makena.
Nicknames?
Ko Aria.
Nah. Aria. Ryan. Wikes. Wada kicks. Ka pai te tanga. Ka pai!
Intercept.
We have an intercept from Pu'u. Whoa. Kia tau, bro. Oh, we.
Pehe ki ngā tahataha, bro. Ko wa kai rifi.
Ai.
Me ngā kaiako.
Yeah,
ko ai mā wena.
Ko Matua Chris tērā. Whaia Chrisan. Ai. Matua Chris tōna nickname. Ko ki tōna taha matau. Ko Kaharu. Kaharu King. Ai. Nickname King.
Bro, atu e Mr. Wanakore name. Ko ai ngā goats o ngā mātanga, ngā toki kua puta i a Waititi I roto I ngā tau.
Tētahi, te ahorangi reti mana.
Ai.
Te rahi Delamere.
Maui Heron Hall.
Chevy Nepe Jr. Ai. Puli. Waishiki. Ai. Ane boys. Hea tō ingoa.
Ko Archibald Rahu. Uri tēnei no ngā tōpito katoa te ao.
Bro, me kaua tātou e warewari tā tātou bro our Pu'u, our breather, puri mai. Cuz, ana, paku whakapuaki mai ko wai o kai tākoro. Hea hoki a rātou pukenga, hea hoki a rātou ingoa. Kei te kite mātou e kohine paku kua kuhu mai nei ki tō koutou tima pai ke atu ia I etihi o ngā tama.
Ai, ko uinga sharples tērā, te tamahina. Nā, te tamahine o Matua Koianake.
Yes.
Kia koe ia Pataruki, Paddy, mo tōna nickname. Ai, pai ana ia mo te kore. Kia koe ia Lorenzo Paul Tutu. Koe aia te kaihana o James Fisher Harris. Ai. Ai, Maha Thomas. Ia Maha Thomas. Kia koe ia Danny Boy Tauwhitu e pai pauna tepe. Ia ai.
Bro, ara te rena o te taukaia I Wainganui I a Waititi me Pu'u. Ko matua korowhati nepe, me matua Chevy nepe kei Pu'u e whakaako ana. He raukura no koutou. Kei te pēhea aua mahanga.
Nā, kei te pai. He uri rau anō te pātū wata o Hoani Waititi marae. Ka peke ki a te kura kaupapa Māori o Pu'u. Engari, kei ko rātonu te hononga.
Whai whakaro anau, tai hoa, boy, come here. Ka mai ka pau I te kai tākoro nei, ia e tākoro ana. This is what we can do in Southside here.
Yeah, this is what we do, Southside. Ai. No reira, rea rua pai ana. Ki hea try. Ka tikina kia whetū ngā pū. Arima. She was in. Oh. Nah, fine. I'm wearing my ngati in there. Yeah. Don't worry. I lost it. Do you want to get mic'd up, G? Yo. You said a game, say hello. Reo. Come get mic'd up. Tamana. Surely. I've already done my job. Sorry. Fire. Just for fun, baby. No.
No. How do I wear it? Kia rai te whanau. Ai! Oh, ka mai te rau! Obi! Tai maha tēnei. Like ke te kimi taku tiha te. Yeah, ka pai! Oi! Oh! Rireo. Anei. Gavi. Keep on. Oh, it was like a few kingata, like make them oma. whanaungatanga. Oh. Yeah. Bye now. Kikonai, kikonai, kikonai. Oi, just go. Mila, waiho. Alright, yeah. Double tag. Queres esperar comigo aqui te câmera? Que hora farei? Come by.
Yeah, ngā piro. Oh. So, close game we have here. Close game. Tahi piro ki a Waititi tērā kora. Ahua āwanga. Pehea ngā piro.
Ki te ahua hōhau ki ngā boys.
Ko Kaharu Kawiti Link. Te rauhea apa kuku. Te rei marikena.
Awi mātou arereo kahi. Rā ko taimānia nepe ki te tipu. Kei a mātou awira ko Hawaiki ki te taha mātou. Ko waiheke ki te ara. Me te tāanga hoki mai a waiheke kahi. Anā ko Archibald te kāpene ki te taha maui. Rāwa ko Grace Pāniora. Te rei marikena me te pōro. Me te piro. Toru piro. Kia te rei marikena. Archipolo te pōro. / Karen Ponga. Nah, we got Valkyries. We got Stags. Or we got Marikena me te poro. Marikena me te tami. Marikena me te piro.
Piro kia te rei marikena. E hanga pau? E whitu ngā pau. Nama waru te kaumawha. Kore i paku mahi tētai mea.
Ngā pau, then katoa koe. False information, guys.
Here we have a drop ball.
Nā, ka whakawhiti atu. Te mai, kia kārau kāuti. Mēru, nā kōi koe nowhea.
Ngāti hine puke reu. Anei taimānia me te paoro. Rua kau tanga. O anei Archibald Valentine. Rānei Keilan Punga. Anei te marikina. A te rei. Anei kauru ia te rapea. Tanga. Ka aroha e tama anei wanakore.
Nā, e te iwi. Ana I tētahi wā tika, kia ko I tētahi kupu hau. Nā, ko te kupu o te rā, ko te... Nā, ko te quieres. Nā, he kupu no Spanish. Ko te tikanga mo te quieres, ko te I want. Nā, ko tētahi rerenga kōrero, ko te quieres un café. Nā, ko te tikanga o tērā, do you want a coffee? Nā, e te iwi, kōrero mai, quieres un café?
Quieres un café?
Nā. Ka whakawhiti atu. I waka kōrero, ki, a tore.
Ko waiheke kahi tēnei me te pōro. Oof. Offside. Oh, where? Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Pai te whiu. Aua. Hawaii ki Pirini me te pōro. Archibald Valentine. Kaylan Ponga. Waiheke kahi. Back to Wikes. Whāpau. Pai te tanga. Good tag. Here we have Isaiah Wanakore Chase. Passing the mic over to him.
So we got Archipolo with te pōro. Ka pāhi atu kia taimania nepe. Tahipou. Whakawhiti atu kia Archipolos. Nā, ka tāngahia. Rēne o me te pōro. Rēne o me te pōro. Jessica me te pōro.
Nei o Waititi me te pōro, taipau, ruapau. Kaki te tama. Nei a Hawaii. Te rawe hoki o tana ārai. Titiro, tino kai ngāka ia, kei te aru ia I wera tānga. Anei te māpuna, tiko te māpuna, hea tērā. Tānga, tiko, kaua mahi anō.
Kaua tākoro, kao. Are tonu kāre.
Anei a Taimania, waiheke, ko hoki kia Taimania. Taipau, Ruapau, Matu, pai te kemu, ami.
Nā, koira te kōtā tuatoru. Komutu.
Komutu te kemu, ka rawe Waititi, ka rawe puau. Kia kaha Waititi, tino koreta kia Waititi, rawe rawa atu puau. Te puau moana nui kiwa ātāhua. Haere tonu me wā koutou mahi, kaua e motu. Kia ora.
Kei whiti!
Say bye.
it on? E ngā mana e ngā reo nau mahaere mai ki te Māhepohepotanga 2025. Ko ngā tīma e tuake nei ko te pūtai Māori o Manureo, rātou ko Hoani Waititi e tuake nei. Nō reira, tēnā koutou e ngā tīma kua haere mai ki ngā finals I tēnei rā. That was a nice try from Waititi there, but Tyrone came in and swept. So we don't know what's happening at the moment, but we'll find out soon enough. Yeah. So you have Seth with the ball, throwing it to Tyrone, and they miss. Hard luck, keep going though, keep going. Oh, we got Sapphire for the dive to get the ball, passing it to Tyrone. Passing it to Sapphire, and she misses, barely misses. Nice block from Hoani Waititi. Passing it to number 8 sidesteps. Taipu, Ruapu. Nice footwork from number 1, and they have a nice clean try. It's 2 on the board for Waititi. And we'll be restarting Waititi's ball, kicking it in the middle.
Too many tags.
So you have number 1 kicking at the ball to the middle. Nice catch from number 15. Pass to number 8. Step Putai Taipu Ruapu. See if Tyrone can tag. Nice tag from Tyrone. Back to the middle. Out. Nice try from Hoani Waititi. That was 2 tries, I think, so 4 altogether. Kick to the middle. And it goes out. Putai's ball. No. I ain't good at having yarns, bro. Nice spin. Oh, hard luck next time. Passing the ball around. Nice shot from Dupree, but sadly misses. It's alright, keep going. Finally passing the ball around, but fumbles. Fake from Dupree, still misses. Pito. Okay, that'll be 1 to 4, I think, from Hoani Waititi winning at the moment. Nice pass to Seth, but gets blocked. Number 8 is just on fire today with the sidesteps. Sidestepping the same person, Anahira. Nice pass from Tyrell to Tyrone. And it goes out from Dupree. Hard luck. It's okay, we can still come back. Inbounding it. And then Tyrell blocks it. Go out again. It's alright. Okay, we'll be passing it back in from the out. And it goes out again from Putai. Far out. Come on, what the dive! Oh, and it gets tagged. No try. Try from Putai. I think. from Tyrone. Passing number 8. Number 8, what the steps? And it goes out, I think. Yeah, it goes out. First quarter done will be... And so we have subs going on. And who will be second? So let's see who wins. Yeah, so this will be our last game for the day. And we're starting the second half with Putai being in Tyrone. Gets tagged, all good. And it goes out. Hard pass from Rain, it's okay. Nice. Rain has the ball, Tyra, Chardonnay, Taipo. Looking for options. Hard luck under here, Butterfingers. Bonnie Waititi with the ball. Trying to get up on the board here. And Rain catches in his legs. Nice catch, Rain. Taipo from Mali. Pass it to Tater. Tater, 1 point. And we'll be restarting. Mali kicking. Catches the ball from Rain. Pass back to Mali. 1 point. Taipo, I mean. My bad. Pass to Tyrone. 2. Middle. Pass back to middle. Pass to underhitter. Too high. And it goes out. Save. And it goes out. Putai's ball, yeah. Pass it to Taylor. 1 per. Open. And 1 point again on the board. Restarting once again. Mali kicking. Rain looking for options. Taipo. Rain looking for options. Slips. All good. Tater with the side steps. Tagged. Hard luck. Number 2 trying to get a score. Number 3 with the ball, jumps, and he misses. Gets blocked. Putai's ball. Passes to Mali. Right. Rain with the nice block. Foot block. Blocked. Pass to Marley. Marley frame options. Chardonnay's open. Just misses the ball. And Tawani. Aneda. What are you doing? Isn't Rain's blocking just good, Aiken?
Digo.
Yeah. Heard it from the bro himself. Marley, one po. Passes back to the middle, looking for options. Hand over. Handed it over again. Waine's ball in the middle. Once again, Marley's just on fire today. Taipo from Marley. And then Saffron to Tyrone. Tyrone running around, trying to get as much po as possible so he can get more points for his team. Saf wasn't open. I don't know what that pass was. And that's half time. So we'll be back for the third quarter soon. What's the scores, please? And the scores are 5-6. Putai up. Huani just 1 point away. Who's gonna win? King, who do you have to say that, I reckon? Okay. We're about to kick off for the next half. This is a super close game between Huani and Putai. And this will determine who wins the finals for the Whanake Ropu. We have Tater next to me. Oh no. Caesar, we have Caesar next to me. Who do you think's gonna win, Caesar?
Oh, it's a close battle. We don't know who's gonna win yet, and Hawaii Waititi got some pretty strong players, and Te Puta is doing well in defense. And yeah, it's a close game, and I reckon Puta got a chance.
Yeah. But we all have a chance here, I reckon. It's pretty close game. Okay, so we got Putai on Tanifa's team, and then we got Hawaii Waititi on Kioma. So every half we swap.
Hawaii Waititi got ball.
Yeah. Hand it over to Wani. Looking for options. Taipo from number 1. Pass to number 8. Anahira. Successful tag from Anahira. Anahira. No. And then Putai's team on Tanifa. And it goes out. Waititi's ball. Passed into number 1. Pass to number 8. Taipo. Pass to number 5. Pass to middle. Looking for options, and we have a try, successful try. We'll be restarting. Number 1 kicking it into the middle. Successful kick into the middle. Tag. Pass to number 1. Number 1 with a side steps pass to the Putai. Pass back to Hawaii Waititi. Looking for options. And we got side step from number 1. Good try from number 1. Looking for options, passing it around. Hand over, 2 tags. Ripped. Passing it around, making the middle tired. And try from Levi. Putai's point. Another try.
Let's go, Putai!
Number 1 running it around. Ooh. Unsuccessful try. be resetting now. Hoani Waititi's ball, they're kicking it into the middle. Ooh. Kicked it to Putai. Passing on Hoani's ball. Double tag, handover. Hey. Nice block from the people in the middle. PJ! There's too many people in the middle. Oh, I thought it was 4. Oh. Putai's ball. PJ with the dive. Oh, hand over to Hoani Waititi. Moving the ball around, and it goes out. Nice block from the people in the middle. Nice catch. Passed out, but intercept by Levi. Moving the ball around, pass to Wani Waititi. Number 1 with the side steps, and he gets tagged. Pass, but went out too far. Too much muscle on that arm, number 1. And that is the third quarter. There's one more quarter on the line to see who wins. Pretty close game, if you ask me. Anahira, wave to the camera. Wave. All good. So we have everyone subbing now. Taro, have you been off the court yet? My man. Okay, and we've started. The side swap. Hoani Waititi as Taniwha, and then Putai as Kioma. Hand it over to Jason. Putai's ball. Taipu. Niwa running. Eruanga po kei te oma haere. Kwarepi te tag. Next time. Nice block from Putai. Pass to Chef. And it goes out. Hard luck, next time. Nice throw from number 4. Hoani Waititi just trying to get goals. One poo to Putai. Kore po. And it goes out. Throw it too hard. Nice block from Anahira. Blocked once again from Anahira. Anahira looking for options. Found one. Found opportunity. Throws to Tyrone. Eruanga po. Anahira looking for options. Niwa was not open. Oh, it's alright, it's. Okay, pass back to the middle. Tyrone. Tyrone with the dive and successful try. How much was that? I don't know, a couple. Tyrone Henry kicking the ball to the middle. Did not catch the ball, Juani's ball. Tyrell, I don't know what he is doing. Piro, Eruanga Piro from Huani Waititi, successfully throwing the ball to the bin in the middle. Jason with the side step. Jason. Oh, and Jason falls over, passes it to Huani Waititi. Elbow handover. Successfully intercepted, number 4. Rain blocked. Blocked again from the legs. Rain looking for options. Tyrell's open. Tyrell one poo. Jason's open, and he tries! Nice one try from Jason. One try, but 100% effort. Pass to the middle. Taipo from Tyrell. Chardonnay. Chardonnay misses and it goes out. Intercepted by Sapphire, but still goes to Huani Waititi. 1 point. Blocked. 1 point. Oh, nice turn from Tyrell. Tyrell 2-poo. Pass to Rain. Rain looking for options. Jake. What's the point? 13-9 Putai in the lead. Just keep it up and they'll be on in to win the whole thing. Nice tag from Tyrone. And it goes out. Putai's ball. Tyrell with a nice spin and 2-poo. Pass to the middle. Rain. And Putai takes it. Putai will be number 1. And Huani Waititi coming second, I'm pretty sure. If I'm wrong. No, Putai won? Yeah, okay, Putai won. Huh? Okay. We don't know fully if it's fully confirmed that Putai won, but we'll find out soon. Are we done? Oh, yeah. Putai, yeah, that's one. Oh. It was 1 point off. This was a hard play game, but Manurewa takes it. Okay.
Nau mai, e hoa mā ki te kani nui. Welcome to the big dance. Final between Mangele, 275, up against Waititi of West Auckland. Fresh off the boat from Tahiti, here to Takanini. Kura kaupapa Māori aroha o Mangere, me te kura Māori o Hawaii Waititi marae kua whai wāhi mai nei ki te whainara. Whakarohi ana kia mic up I titi kotiro ne. Ana. Pai kia tukuna kia arohe. Te me para. Ka mic ngia ia koe.
Just gonna hear half of it.
Whakaato reo.
Cheers!
Come, hold on. Tai hoa. Right. Ana. Tai hoa. Kei te kā mai, bro? Whaina? Kia ora. Tēnā koutou hene. Hoki mai anō tātou. Ko mic up nia I te me para. Wāhanga pito kōrero. Ana. Me aku mihi ki taku hoa mahi, Joe Van. Nōna te marae manaki taku korenga I tērā kemu. Engari fully deserving e nei kura e rua. Kia whai wāhi mai nei ki te whainara. We saw Māori earlier on, they had some mad strats, didn't they? Let's see what Waititi's got to bring.
This will be a difficult game to watch. I reckon it will be pretty close between them both, but as long as we're all here, he whānau kotahi mātou.
Ko ia, tautoko pau te kaha. Co-language tā arohe, tamihi ana I te pauro, pai te tiaki I te tupu a te toko ruara. Kei tēnei tīma, ngā pukenga huhua, tāne mai, wahine mai. Bro, I'm seeing some screens being run and stuff as well, like that off Poituku.
Yeah, tika.
Ko ki te tātou kua āhua paru te papa whira. Kemu whakamutinga tēnei o te rangi tua toru tātou mā. Koe nei te whainara I Wainganui a Waititi. Me arohe o Māngere a popo ko te Poitukohu. Māngere, Ngāti ki oma I tēnei wā. Pai taua hopu mai a ara poiti. Haere tonu ana tana huri, me tana tepe. Engari, te kaha o tana whiu. Koe nei te kapa arohe whakarite ana I a rātou anō. Ko te mate kei te marama o Waititi ki te reo Māori. Anei tā rātou rautaki. He āhua on tērā. In fact, they call that the shotgun. Ka hoki anō te pauro I nainei ki a Waititi. Wana kore. Patience me te me para. Kei Wainganui I te whira nei. Ngā kaitia ki tupu. Paku maka whakamua. Tūhapa ana. Kairoa tēnei. Tohunga tepe. He tau tīrairaka. He waiwai hāngi ona. Kei runga tātou I te matiwā a te referee tātou mā. He kotahi miniti me te haurua e toi ana. Mai ngā mahi a Grace, o Waititi. Aroha mai Jovan, kei te pupuri au te rākau kōrero ka whakahokia ki a koe.
No, ki te whai, ki te whai.
Mean brother, oh well. The fact that we teach Hangaro Matihiko and Papaho at school, bro, it's actually cool to get a chance to whakatinana.
Yeah, because some schools don't even have the opportunities to do this, but we're lucky that we have these opportunities to do these types of things outside of kura as well.
Tēnā koe. Utahi te piro, tore te kauhekona e toi ana. Nā tai, ki ara poiti whakawhiti ana I te ara, kei reira haka, engari I taka. Hea ngā kaute? Kia koutou? Kotahi kia māngere. Kotahi kia māngere, kore kia Waititi. Sorry, he's already been on. Oh!
Okay, and we're rolling back. It was 3-1. 3-1 to Waititi. Pass to the middle. Waititi looking for options, found one, but handed over to Aroha. Aroha throwing it around in the middle, trying to find an opportunity to score. And missed. Nice block from Waititi, handed over. Passing to 22 Taipo with the side steps, passing back to the middle. And she found the option and successful try to Waititi. And we'll be restarting. Was that a no try? No try. No try there, was a tag. Nice block. Passing it around. Everyone on the floor trying to get the ball. Waititi in the middle, passing outside. Passing back to the middle, looking for option. Steps around. Taipo looking for options. And she was there, and a successful try from no number. Finally, Waititi's point. Kicking. Number 3 has the ball, passing it out. Slips. Passing back to the middle, looking for another option. No try. Offside. Nice throw from Aroha. Passing to number 2, but doesn't catch. All good next time. Aroha throwing it into the middle. Nice try from Aroha's ball. Nice try from Aroha, but that was the tag first. Kairoa with the ball, trying to get a try. Passing it around, nice block. Passed out, passed back to the middle, passing out. Nice side step from number 54. Pass back to number 3 in the middle, looking for options. Nice try from Huani Waititi, 93. Kick into the middle. Oh, crooked toes. Nah.
Tēnā koe, tama. O tira tēnā tātou e pai nei. Bro, kei te makariri, engari, kei te rongo I te Māori. Waititi āmua I tēnei wā. Playing with them. Ana poisi, tauirangi te aki wai, also known as...
Ara.
Certainly here to play. Konei te whainara E hoa mā. Bro, that's getting heated up here.
And that's a wrap for the... oh no, still going, never mind. Passed it out.
Started late.
Yeah. The arms these people have, like, they can throw super hard, I reckon. Huani Waititi passing it in. Going Potai. Looking for options. A nice dive try from 94. Ah, these people are so good, bro.
I like their names too. 94, 3, 22. Kia mana anui mai koutou, we don't have their names on their team list as such. Bro, he whakataitai tēnei, tino whakataitai. Bro, toru te kau he kona. Tai te piro, kia Waititi, kia arohe. Tatani ana ngā kaute I tēnei wā E hoa mā. Koenei te whainara o te wahanga toki o te Māhepohepo 2026. Rangi tua toru tēnei. Half time E hoa mā whakawhiti. Kia hapea ngā kaute. Aua, Whātiani. Ono ki te whetu pea. Big shout out to Kokatane Kare, Fire Jade. Throw some shout outs to Taylor.
Shout out to Kingy. Shout out to Mana. Shout out to Dale. Shout out to the people who's not here and watching from the camera. I already know my mates watching from the camera.
Yeah.
Shout out to Analia. If you're watching, I know you're watching.
Shout out to Chanel.
Chanel, yeah. Shout out to Boston for being their coach. Shout out to Chorus over there sitting on his seat.
E hoa mā. Kei te tirohia a Dale, he aha ngā kaute. Whā ki te ono ki a Huani Waititi. Nau mai E hoa mā wahanga tua toru tēnei, e whaona wahanga. Koenei te kota tua toru. 6-5 ki taku mōhio I nai nei. Ko arohe e hoki mai ana. Pai tērā karo, tērā aukati, I taua whiu. Waititi. Tūhapa ana whakawhitia te poro kia 275. Arohe, ngātai me te pauro. E hoki whakamuri ana, e reti ana. Ki Wainganui, kia Temepara kia Ihaka kua piro, e hoa mā, kua orite te kaute, I Wainganui ngenei kapa e rua. Te tihi kōrero, nil all, engari e ono ki te ono. Waititi, me arohe, ki te whainara. Ko waika hua, ko waika tohu. Tare a te wā, Waititi. E āta haere ana, āta whakaro ana ki te tihi rautaki. fresh from Tahiti, back onto the fields of Takanini. Kai with the wax and the hips of doom. He's still there. He's still stepping and dancing his way through. Ngātai picks the pill up. He's going to have a crack. Ripped by number 21, who's strapped from the toes up.
And I'm back. Number 21 with the shot. Nice block from Te Māhepohepotanga. 94 trying to pass. Number 3 with the ball. Number 93 with the ball. Nice score from number 93. Passing it still around. Nice score from 21. Diving for the ball. Out of his ball, passed over. Passed on the outside. Taipo. Rua. Got the boosties. Pass back to the middle. Looking for an option. Pass to Hoani Waititi. Nice intercept.
And I'm back. Yeah. Sup, Jovan? Shout outs to the boys. This is the final, guys. It's a vibe. This is the last game. Everyone's packing up. Rua Piro. Kia arohe. 8-6. 8-6. 8-6 I tēnei wā e te iwi koutou e mā taki maina I te kura. Whitu miniti, ono miniti kei a koutou. Koira te tangi o te pūtātara engari. He miniti, he kotahi miniti me te hawhe e toi ana. Rua ripi. Mr. Wana kore tērā. 8-6 to arohe. These girls in the middle have been tough. Ngātai. Dummying. Taken though. Step by Arapoiti. Dives and scores. Pai tērā whana. E iwa ki te ono. Engari e wama. Kare anō te kēmu kia mutu. I te mea he hauwha anō e tārewa tonu ana. Tūhapo ana. Kāre he piro. Kati, e hoa mā. This is the last quarter of the Toki Grand Final. Te kura kaupapa Māori arohe o Māngere ki taku nei mōhio have 9 points up against Waititi, who is sitting on 6. Waititi, however, are the key oma, and that's highly likely an opportunity to claw this lead back. Māngere, previous winners of Te Māhepohepotanga Ki Ō RAHI division, are up by 3 from the boys of the West. And girls, I might add. 40 years old this year, Hawaiiani Waititi Marae, first kura kaupapa in the country. Up against ngā hau Māngere, te mānukatanga o Tamapahore. Oh, o Hoturoa. My bads. Waititi, Māngere, 7-9. Boys, Jovan, I know you got money in your wallet there. Oh, well, put a $10 on who?
Arohe.
Sweet, I'll go 10 on Waititi. We'll see, eh? We'll see. We'll see. Boys, you guys are the witnesses. We're shaking hands. Yeah, that's all good. Shout me tomorrow. I might be shouting you, bro. But we don't encourage gambling, do we?
No, not good. Is that 1?
That's 1. Nine 8 ki taku mōhio. 9-9. Ho mai te moni! Boys, my shout. Yeah. Waititi. Kia taimania. Kua tūwhera te keti. Kua piro.
Time!
Kei te kite atu. Ai. Te kau ki te iwa. Ki aku kaute. 10-9. Mātahi rāno. Ka waiho manga pikisi e kōrero e wama. Niti tēnei whainara. Wainga ia Waititi me arohe. Keoma's Waititi touching one post, throwing it back on the inside. Bit of a switch play as the gaps open up. Who's there? Waititi's there. And the leader's growing. Waititi, Arunga, Arohe, kei raro I tēnei wā. Cap kei Wainganui e manaki ana I tana tupu. Ngā tai, ki Arapoiti. Kairoa. Hey, it's like a tuakana teina fighting over the last pihikete.
Come on, Arohe. Wani Waititi with the ball, trying to look for option. 22, Taipo passes back to the middle. Wani Waititi with the try. One. Hey, it might have been one try, but it was maximum effort. And just give a shout out to these boys on the sideline, just hustling for their boys on the... 1 more minute left on the clock, boys. Oh, everyone.
1 minute. Don't worry about the money, brother. Just show me a burger. Good distribution of the ball. Aria.
Unlucky.
Mangere. Mai tahiti nui tahiti roa ki takanini. As the tini me te mano from Waiōrea come over to support the final. Me mihi ngā kapa e rua e hoama. Coming this far, yeah. Going all the way. As we do a pan, our cameraman doing a pan of all the kids here, mums and dads, celebrating our mahi. And then a bit of a tilt down to the commentators too, please, if we can, as the bell rings and Waititi jump for joy. Champions, ngā toa whakaihu waka. Ki Ō RAHI, Te Māhepohepotanga is the winner at the end of the day, Jovan.
That was a good game. Good fight between Arohe and Hoani Waititi, but sadly there was only one winner. Hoani Waititi took it. But yeah. Maybe next year Arohe, but we'll see. Wait, are we done? Oh no, not done yet. But yeah.
Jovan, let's go get a few words from some kaitākaro. An awesome final. Nā waiho, pipiri. As we see both teams just wrapping up. Hey guys, after the harire, we're still going live on YouTube. Put us with the aho matua haka. Aho matua haka, aho matua haka. Let's go. Please, please, please. Aho matua, aho matua. Aho matua haka, kia horo koa, tāla haka. Hey, congratulations once again to Hawaiiani Waititi, puta āihu, I tēnei whiringa toa whakamutunga, tatari ana mo te haka tautoko, pono, marika, whakapiri koutou. Whakakapihia. Mihi ana ki ngā kapa e rua, māngere, I hinga. Mea ohorere tēnā engari e tika ana kia mihia. Tatou! Ngā mihi